What to do if a fault occurs? Unable to start the machine? Make sure that the main switch of the device is turned on. Make sure that the Forbes SmartClean is powered on. If the problem still persists, please reset the machine by long pressing this power button for at least 5 seconds. What to do if the Forbes SmartClean is getting stuck? Check whether the machine is stuck or blocked by something. Check whether the Forbes SmartClean is in a restricted area. Move the Forbes SmartClean to a different location and check. Check whether the battery is too low. If the problem isn't solved, please shut it down. Wait for 3 seconds and then restart it. What to do if you're not able to make a cleaning schedule? Make sure the machine is on. Schedule the time and make sure it's set correctly. Check whether the machine power is too low to start cleaning. What to do if the suction has become too weak? Check the suction inlet for any obstruction. Empty the dust box. Clean filters by tapping. Check whether filters are wet. If wet, let the filters dry completely before using. What to do if the Forbes SmartClean is not charging? Check whether the charging dock is correctly connected to the power supply and the indicator lights when the power is on. When the Forbes SmartClean is connected to the charging dock, the indicator light stays off. If the device still cannot be charged after performing the above steps, please contact the Eureka Forbes customer care service. What to do if the Forbes SmartClean is not returning to the charging station? Clear the objects within 2 feet on the left and right sides and within 5 feet front side of the charging dock. Make sure that the machine starts sweep from the charging dock without abnormal movement. If the machine is near the charging dock, it can return faster. But if the charging dock is far away, the machine will need more time to return. Please wait during its return. Also try cleaning the charging electrodes with a soft cloth. What to do if the rolling brush does not rotate? Clean the rolling brush. Also try cleaning the side brush. What if there is any abnormal action? Carefully clean all the sensors with a dry cloth. Restart the machine by long pressing the power button. What to do if there is no water released during mopping? 1. Make sure there is enough water in the water tank. Always use clean and low TDS water. 2. Check whether the mop module is installed correctly. Upon correct installation, you will hear a related voice prompt. 3. Check whether the water outlet is blocked. 4. Clean the filter in the bottom side of the water tank. What to do if the Forbes SmartClean is not connected to Wi-Fi? Ensure that your Wi-Fi router supports 2.4 GHz and 802.11 BGN bands, as this equipment does not support 5 GHz bands. Before trying to connect to Wi-Fi, make sure that the Forbes SmartClean is charged at least 50% or connected to charging station. What to do if there are any sensors-related issues? Carefully clean all the sensors with a dry cloth. You can restart the machine by long pressing the power button. How to restart the Forbes SmartClean? There are 3 ways to restart the Forbes SmartClean. 1. Long press the power button for 5 seconds and the Forbes SmartClean will restart. 2. Toggle off the main switch at the side forcibly to turn off the machine and then turn it on. What to do if dust collection stops in auto bin? 1. Check if the dust bag is full. If it is full, replace it. 2. Check if the dust collection outlet of Forbes SmartClean is jammed by any objects or particles. 3. Check whether the air duct of the auto bin is blocked. 4. Check if the machine is moving during dust collection. This may cause damage to the machine. 5. Check if there is water in the dust box of the Forbes SmartClean. This will prevent dust to be extracted. If it's still not collecting the dust after performing the above steps, please contact the Eureka Forbes customer care service. Enjoy using your new Forbes SmartClean with AutoBin.